Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create a new wallet on Tonkeeper. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. After you have signed up for Tonkeeper, you will see this type of interface. Now on the top of your screen, there is Wallet. Go ahead and click on it and then click on Add Wallet. So you can see the wallet option, click on it and click on Add Wallet. After that, there is the option of new wallet option from which you can create a new wallet, or you can import an existing wallet as well, pair it with Signer, pair it with Keystone, or pay with Ledger. So you can just go ahead and click new wallet if you don't have any of these options. And now you can give the bio matrix and click on enable notifications if you want. And now you can give the icon whatever you want over here, and now you can rename the wallet. After you rename the wallet, just go ahead and click on save, and there you go. You have just created another wallet for yourself, and you can use this for individual purpose, and it is different from the wallet. So you can see the two wallets are different and different transactions can be done from both of these. I hope this video about how you can create a new wallet on Tonkeeper was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.